Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make Tomyam fillet soup. This soup is appetizing and it is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Prawn heads. Fish fillet. Tomyam soup seasoning powder. Celery. Celery peel off fiber and cubes. Sliced fish fillet. Fry the shrimp heads in hot oil until released red oil. One big bowl hot water and cook out the flavor. Tomyam seasoning powder. sugar to taste if too sourly. Once boiled, add fish fillet and celery. Once fish fillet is cooked and the soup is ready. Pour soup into soup bowl. Garnish with celery leaves and soup is ready to eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese. Version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.